Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic film look in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created in CapCut, and I'm going to create cinematic film look effect for this video. I'm going to go to the adjust menu, okay, right here, and we're going to adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and etc. Okay, and then for the first one, I'm going to adjust the brightness to create cinematic film look. I'm going to reduce the brightness just like this. I'm going to make it around 20 25, and for the contrast, I'm going to increase it around 20. Okay, oops. Okay, and for the saturation as well, I'm going to increase it around 15. Okay, and then I'm just going to skip this brilliance, and I'm going to increase the sharpen. Okay, then I'm going to go to the blacks menu. I'm just going to reduce it like this to make my video darker. Okay, and this is the final result, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Wait, I'm going to delete the effect. This is before I edit the video, and this is after I create cinematic film look effect for my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic film look effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.